Good morning, everyone. And as you've seen some of my posts, you've seen some of these things and you're just wondering, what is she making? What are they working on? The girls and I have been putting together these little back to school care packages. So whether you're going back to school or you're homeschooling or you're tutoring or whatever you're doing, these packages will be applicable. So the first thing we're going to put in the care package back to school is all natural disinfectant wipes, and they're super easy to make. And we'll put recipes and stuff on the Evolve EO Facebook page. The next is going to be all natural hand sanitizer, Charlotte. Just gonna put that in, and it has vitamin E and aloe in there, so your children's hands won't get all dried out. And then we are going to have our immune boosting balm, also known as flu balm. That my kids always have with them at school because 'tis the season. So we're just going to boost their immune systems. So that's very important. And then the next is going to be a small little sample of Thinker. So Thinker helps with focus and with distractions and reduces mental stress. It has a earthy, minty, herbal smell. The essential oils that are included in it is vetiver, peppermint, clementine, and rosemary. And then the next small little sample we're going to put in there is Calmer. So it's a calming, restful blend, speaks for itself, and it has a sweet floral and a soft woody scent. So it's great. And then we're going to put in a little small one of Tammer. So this is the digestive blend, so it's kind of like Zengest or Digest Zen. It's good for upset tummies, which sometimes happens at school. And then my favorite for like stress and anxiety and stuff is Adaptive. So we're going to put a little sample of that in there. So that's the calming blend. So it helps boost your mood, focus. It's uplifting and relaxing. The essential oils in that blend are wild orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, one of my favorites right now, rosemary, which makes me think of my girlfriend Christina, neroli, and sweet gum. So that's what we'll put in our little care packages. For my girls, they have the kids kit, so they'll have the adaptive roller, which is not in the kids kit, but they'll have the full-size Thinker and Tamer and Calmer. I also used to put in head lice spray, but I don't think that's going to be applicable this year because, well, who knows, but so there's that as well, and a little bit of Kleenex, and that's it. So the kids are ready to get back to school, and you can add your masks or whatever else you have to with whatever decision you make. Okay, I hope this helps you guys, and if you have any questions or you want to see the recipes or anything like that, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. See you later.